Hey guys, welcome to the last call. Today's August 26, 2009. Market's been flat pretty much all day. It looked like we were going to start going into some negative territory. It did not. But a lot of stocks are retreating, even though the stocks are the overall market, as far as the Dow that we have up here, is pretty much just floating back and forth between positive and negative territory. I have in my portfolio a lot of stocks that are retreating. So that I don't know if that you want to call that a good sign or bad sign, but it is giving me some opportunities for some dips to get into some newer positions. But in the same time, even though it's giving me good dips, it's getting me a little nervous because the overall market is not retreating. So I'm a little perturbed up by this. I'm like 50-50 on the situation, but we're gonna have to just wait and see. One thing that I do see, I wanted to mention on the Dow and obviously on the S&P the same thing. Accumulation continues. If you see here, this is my indicator for accumulation and distribution. You'll see it almost looked like at this point here like a double top here. But then when we pulled back and started distributing a little bit, it started ramping up, obviously, which we know already, because the market continued to rally up here. And you see we got like a little dip, and then it looks like it wants to almost break resistance here of a double top. So believe it or not, we may go up as fast as we came down. So keep that in mind. We may not get the pullback that is necessary in normal circumstances. We may just continue to rally. I mean, getting very slight and little dips, but there is a lot. Like I told you the other day, there's $2 trillion in the sidelines. We're getting big investors and traders jumping into the market. So, it may be that way. It just may trade that way. So let's keep watching what happens in the next couple of days. But I wouldn't stay in 100% cash. I would, test the waters, buy a couple of shares, buy 25 shares or something, start building your position. And if the market just pulls back, then you purchase at that point. Okay, guys? Let's get into a couple of stocks here. Our first stock is going to be ticker symbol COST, which is Costco. Okay? On a one-year chart, you'll see it started rallying a little bit, pushed off to 50 and the 200 when they met. I think you can pick it up here, believe it or not, once it's breaking resistance here at this point, or on any pullback. It's only up 34 cents, so maybe on any pullback, if it does pull back in the next couple of days, you can pick it up and then run it from there. All right. Our next stock is going to be ticker symbol KLAC. Alrighty, and same thing, nice upward channel, real smooth above the 50, above the 200, pushing off a little bit higher than the 50. I think you can pick it up here, breaks resistance, and you can definitely pick up, let's say, $38, 31 to 38, $7, a quick $7 on that. If you feel uncomfortable, then let it pull back a little bit. I don't think it's going to pull back much, but you can let it pull back and then grab it at that point. Okay, guys. Our next stock is going to be ticker symbol KMX. I almost misread that. Very nice upward channel, real smooth, real smooth. Been rallying ever since I think it's last year, 2008. It's been rallying. Real nice. So above the 50 again, riding along the 50-day line. You can pick it up right here. It's got a little bit of resistance, only up 2 cents at this point, but it is on a nice trend. Remember what I told you guys the other day. The trend is always your friend. So follow the trend, put a stop order, or you can put a trailing stop. Gather your profits, and then if you get stopped out, no big deal. You run with your profits. Okay. Our last stock is going to be ticker symbol VMW. Can't read today. All right. And this is ready for breaking out. This stock is about to break out. It started breaking out a little bit. It's up $1.19, so you may want to wait for a pullback on this and then grab it at that point. Obviously, it did rally today. I don't know if it rallied on some news, but I would wait for a little pullback on this, then jump into it. I think you can pick up $43, $10 target with no problem. All right, guys, let's go make some money, and we'll talk to you soon.